Hey guys, welcome to part 2 of my deep V crochet top tutorial, and in this part I'm just going to be showing you how to make the side scraps and the top scraps. Start by attaching a slip knot at the end of the bottom of each side of your top, and you're going to chain 2 and then double crochet as high as you want. I did 15 double crochets, but if you want your scrap to be a bit thicker, you could do more double crochets, but I'm going to do 15. Once I reached my 15 double crochet, I chained 2 and flipped it around and double crocheted all the way down, and I repeated this pattern for 5 rows. Here's what it should look like once you have your 5 rows. For the 6th row, at the end you're going to chain 2, and instead of going into the next stitch, you're going to skip a stitch and go into the 3rd stitch. And then you're going to double crochet all the way down. Here at the end, we're going to skip the 2nd to last stitch and go right into the 3rd stitch. Alright, and then we're going to chain 2, flip it around, and repeat that same pattern for the next couple of rows. Due to decreasing 2 stitches each row, your pattern should start to form in like a triangle formation, and you can do however many rows you want. I did about 3 extra rows because I connected my back scraps together, and I just needed it to fit all the way around my back as secure as I like it. Alright, and then we're gonna do our top scraps. All I did was attach a slip knot to the top of my top, to the top stitch in my top, and then I did 100 chains. I did 100 chains. Just I wanted to have it long enough to fit around my neck but not be too short. How many chains you do is totally up to you.